Hi everyone, my name is Christina and welcome to my channel. My weekend getaway this episode is heading to Northern Ontario for a friend's wedding, but there were so many more other fun adventures along the way. My husband and I were coming from the city of Toronto, and I just planned here in my GPS the different stops and how long it would take. So it was about 3 hours, so we had time to make one stop before we went to go check in at the hotel. Our first and adventurous stop is at the Screaming Heads located in Burk's Falls. So this was such a random stop. I just looked up something to do around that area that maybe we can go for a hike or something cool to look at. And this is what came up. And it was really, really fun, really cool, really unique. Was definitely not expecting something like that to be there. There are so many surprises on this property. No matter where you walk, there's either a beautiful garden or you turn the corner and then there's a coop filled with peacocks and turkeys. There's so many different cool surprises. Not only are there these incredible sculptures everywhere, but the property itself is just absolutely stunning. It's on acres of land in the forest that has a gorgeous river running through it, and it's just so lush. They have so much vegetation, it's a garden, and it really was just a beautiful place to be. I would now like to bring you to the website just to show you the overview. I'll link it below as well. But it's just a general sense of where it's located, the times, and a little bit about the history of the artist himself and why he's even up there and created these things. The artist, Peter Camani, has created an immense surreal artscape of huge cast concrete sculptures throughout his 310-acre property, where he actually lives as well. Another good thing about this property is that there is no charge. They do have donations, but again, that's at your discretion. But it is open to the public and for you to discover. If you have a cottage or live in Huntsville or the Muskoka areas, this isn't too bad of a drive to go to, so it'd be something fun to do for the day. You can spend a couple hours there just wandering the property. Since it's almost Halloween, I thought this would be a great video to post because it does have that kind of spooky feel to it with the screaming heads, and it's very enchanting. If you're up there, it's a good day if you want to go, or if you have kids or anything like that, it would be really fun for them as well because it's a very unique place.
Hey, buddy.
After taking some time to discover the property, it is now time for us to head to our next destination, which is Sundridge, Ontario, so that we can check into our accommodation. Our weekend accommodation is called the Caswell Resort Hotel. I'm going to bring you to the booking.com website and you can decide if this accommodation works for you, and I will post the link below as well. A little bit about this resort. So it's located right on Lake Bernard, and a fun fact about that, it is actually the biggest lake in the world without an island. How random is that? This resort gave you that authentic Northern Ontario cottage experience, and there are so many different activities there that you can use at no charge. It was the next morning, so we decided to head into the main area, which is about 7 minutes away, for some breakfast at the Red Canoe restaurant. Now our next adventure was another random stop along the way. We all kind of drove separately into breakfast and we saw this place along the way. We kind of talked about it, but no one said that we were going, and once on our way home, we all kind of ended up here, which was so funny, and we all had the best time here because it was just another one of those random experiences that ended up being so much fun. This wonderful and mystical place is called Crystal Cave Mineral Exhibit and Crystal Shop. We started off exploring the outside, so we decided to start at the Spiral of Life and follow it around. Now they made it such a beautiful and spiritual journey. There was some grounding involved. They gave you instructions of what to do, take off your shoes and walk along the path. Now time to go inside the most enchanting store you'll probably ever go into. This is Crystal Cave. It's legit a fairy tale in here. After exploring inside, we're gonna head back outside to the fairy forest. I'm an adult and I felt like I was in a storybook here. It didn't seem real at all. So if you have kids, you probably want to take them there because I can't imagine how fun this would be for them. The next part was my favorite experience of all. Someone was performing a sound bath.
At the very end of the concert, you know, when everybody's clapping, so the concert's great. And if they clap long enough, everybody starts clapping at the same time. That's entrainment. That's chaos.
After our spontaneous adventure, it was time to head back to the resort and get ready for the wedding. So the wedding took place in the most gorgeous property located in a forest. It was just so gorgeous. We had a beautiful evening dancing the night away, enjoying the scenery, and just celebrating the newlyweds. Thank you everyone for coming along this journey. I hope you found some inspiration to book your own weekend getaway. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.